our era never go.
Yeah, most of our people.
I don't even think
even in America, the organization. You know, from when they ask people who want to go home, about 3 years now, nobody no take it up.
I don't even think my brother go Africa yet.
You know, them not take it up.
No for the artists them just never go. Kabaka. I'm not even aware I'm going Africa.
Yeah, man, that's true. I tell you over now that you talk, I see him for you, man.
But I see you talk one day, I say, you talk look like Kabaka, you know.
Yeah, man, the whole of the man them the man them no Africa kind of come out to the people, them, man.
The problem is
them left Africa and
the
era before
right,
they should have hitched upside or
something.
You should have been the head of one of the younger band them. That's the only way it could have worked.
The 80s.
The same, but we will leave,
the
you know.
80s.
We will leave, you know, because I say the thing about it, to all the whole Western road I run now. Not till if you now look to Africa.
Tell the brother and the rest of the artists said they overcharge the African people too much.
No, there was an article and my brother's picture showed up in it.
Right.
Yeah, the whole
and
of the
him
people.
have my face, so it kind of affect me, you see me?
Yeah.
And them said them overcharge Africa, them charge more.
And
Remember say Kelly said it go there 50 days in Africa from years ago, you know. I thought them would have just go back as a group.
No, because remember I said thing that they did there, you know. We go to go see them,
them they live there.
We go Ethiopia go see remember man. One from up on hill, when name the brown you there?
Them say Kelly so crazy for going there and just never see them
Shakula. Remember say the money that Ethiopian.
Big Africans, man. Big
You understand?
Africans.
It look hard to see them come back, but again, it's a whole lot things, you know. African is just so simple for go live, you know.
But Africa is whole heap of place. There's whole heap of place.
A whole lot thing. That's where you want to go, you know.
I don't want to know.
It's where you want to go. That's the problem.
Africa set up. You see, because the man them sign about a contract, and the contract, them taking them America in certain places.
Yeah, we know what going, you know. But other artists, them are charge money. The management team are charge the money.
Time them here Africa, them come like them get bad mind.
And the next thing again too, you can't get out the money. The next thing, you have to come to America, come pay the artist, and you can't, when you go Africa, go do a show, you can't just take out the money, so you know.
You're joking. So
Yeah,
systematic thing.
Yeah, it's like them prefer coming there, you can't come out with money so easy.
Look, now, Akon say him used to tell the rapper them about it, and them never believe till them see a garbage bag full of color money.
Simple. We have to
And
go
at
there
them
go
time,
live.
they 50 cents.
We have
Them
to go there.
start
We have to
go.
go there.
The money over there can't count. And I think the first time Chronics went overseas was Kenya too. So I'm surprised the man them never just go back every time.
In other words, they might look for your coming, come help.
I'm gonna put the body on.
Them now coming to come scrape and come out.
Send them the file.
African is set up for your coming, come scrape and come out, you know.
Yeah, you have to build
Them
up
set
over
up for your coming, come develop.
You have to build, you have to build.
So them might look for you who come from the west, you know, to come help develop or go on there. Well, but most of the man them go now, them are good if go to get the gold and silver and come back out in the west.
Yeah, the mindset there. The
Different mindset, you understand?
And Africa don't build like that.
No.
And a lot of people, they oversimplify Africans and think they can go Africa. But use them like a peace brain for the people them. But the people them have a system set up, brother. They mash you up too.
Mash you up with generalship.
And them quiet and them a beat you and you think say,
If a generalship you deal
we have a superiority complex living in the West. When we go to Africa, we think we're better than the people and we start operating. Brother, just stay humble and easy and watch how the learn.
Yeah, the next thing though. Jamaica nice, you know. No make nobody fool you.
No, 100%.
All the places me go in the world, me love my Jamaica.
Jamaica nice on me.
You understand me? I say, but no, the thing about it that now, the system we're in the West, is not conducive to how you want to live in Africa. Because as we said before, you are looking for God, they go take and come out back. Them are looking for you to come in, come help. So two different perspectives.
Two different meds, man.
They make it look simple, you know.
When you hear what happened to some of the man them over there, I just say, yeah, man, them bring them dirty style over there.
Yeah, man, the same style. I know just Africa. Them can't go America and Canada, England.
Anywhere them go,
them going.
Everywhere. Me learn
Because
this.
when we used to go England first, police if I used to walk with button. Not even no gun. We all in Brixton here, all them wicked thing they are going in Brixton, you never see a police with a gun. You see, after the Jamaican them start going, when the politicians them start getting ball and start send out them people them and go in America go run drugs. Because the politicians them start it, you know. Them send to go over there go sell drugs to send back the money for them run politics down here. So when the man them go down there, them start getting a turf war and kill off them one another. And bring now the government now start to watch it. When we used to go to America, 90 pounds. You can't carry weed, you can't carry anything, nobody now harass you. You see, after a while, them carry down to 70 pounds. And you get dog check now. Then them carry down now to 50 pounds. Now you have to almost pay now to carry a 50 pound package to America or England. So we're going in the country. You know I tell you, man.
Because if you go to New York, I must say what, $60 now, $70
Alright.
for the first suitcase.
Alright.
So
Yeah, man, $50 for the first one and $55 for the next one.
Alright, when we used to go to England, we just go to America.
certain airline expensive more, you know.
You know what I tell me? We used to just buy a ticket from New York and go fly to England, $103. From New York to England, one way.
Yeah.
Them tell me going and asking where they long you stay and all them kind of things we have to do. Welcome. $103. Me think it's a joke there. We just go to America and just go to England the next day or 2 days after that.
Yeah.
And when we're ready to come back, them not going to go about 50 man go about youth to England, you know. That means say I live me up, probably live that half. You understand? Yeah, man. We make it fuck up for ourselves.
Yeah, when the youngsters, after the politics.
Jump themselves out of the way. God, that's it, man.
Yeah.
Nobody go for that jump. From St. Thomas, yeah, you know. And then Colonel Charge, one of the biggest smuggler in Jamaica, and nobody knows.
Otherwise different from who? Separate?
Yeah, man.
He won the most land of
St. Thomas.
Yeah,
different from separate. Separate
Yeah,
the whole by sugar.
I think
We left the corporation.
I think land my father used to have land for next side. Yeah, we go up and own for them land in the back.
Alright.
And them wife
That man is St. Thomas, man, the man that
we
comes
go down
from
now, from this up and land and I youth in the back. Whole land used to raise cow, enough cow on the land there. And when I youth, him turn Rasta. Cause one son me have.
Right.
And just not bother with the youth again, and you go fine and lose everything.
Oh, and then
Yeah.
oh, so them other youth here. Yeah. One to the next one,
You want to know
Colonel
when
Junior.
Junior know.
No, I'm not that friends. The people Colonel Charge teeth land from.
Oh.
Yeah. I want son me have, but not like Rasta.
When a man big right back up on a flight, man, and that's how I get to know, you know, I tell you, him see Rasta looking, him start to talk, you know. Yeah, man. He start to tell him, I will come back to Jamaica for the link him, and no. But you mean not a man.
Retire, man. Last time I see my new Kingston. Yeah, he live up at Queen Hill. Queen Hill, he live from our house there.
Yeah, but them don't use you, man. The way they live in a long time, long time. From a younger youth and live in a trench zone, the politicians come to I because to them sister we have a little more understanding. And that's why we think together, man. That's a fight for I in a trench zone because they want to turn win a politician and we want to go Rasta. So we go judgment part and leave the politics. But the whole of them man Spalding, E-Clays Parking, Milton Hill, the whole of them no garden, the whole of them see we have some all Channel 1 see that we make them in them serious, you know, talk.